Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us Hotwheels Ultra Hots, and this one is 64-330. So last time I went for the peg hunt. There itself I bought two of these cars for 299 rupees, and I thought to keep one carded and just uncard the other. I tried here. If you can see, like I tried with the nail polish remover to safely uncard it, but it didn't work. So here we have the uncarded one. Let me show you the beauty of it. Why I bought this too, actually because of this opening hood. I wanted to open this hood of the car, that's why I bought two, so I can keep one safely and just play with one another. Let me show you in detail like how it looks. This one opens up to this much only. We have something written on the hood inside, and yeah, the click sound, it's very good. It has some interior. I'm not sure if you are able to see some gearbox and steering we have inside. It's a left hand drive only. Yeah, if you are able to see. Then the paint job, right? It's awesome on it. The spectra flame, and the special thing about this car is the tires. You can easily identify from a mainline or premium the tires of it. Because of this only they called ultra hots. They like you can see the standout from the each and every car. If you're able to see the back, the detailing over here, it's too good. Actually the paint job is very smooth. In camera it looks like there is some irregularities on it, but it's not, like it's very smooth. You see the stripes over here, the metallic paint, it looks too good on this car. And both the chassis and the body is made of metal only, so it is pretty heavy in weight. Let me show you how it rolls. It rolls pretty good because of its weight. Take a closer look and to appreciate its beauty. Hotwheels written over it. The spectra metallic paint, right? The paint job only, I love it on this. The green color, it looks awesome on it. The hood opens this much only. If you see, there are some engine detailing, and in the front the light detailing is not that much, but you can see some white color, so it looks good only. On the back the paint job is too good, and I like the overall casting. Let me know what you think guys about it in the comments below. And that's it guys.